Hello guys, look what we found at the store. This new Hot Wheels 9-pack. Oh my gosh, it's a Bugatti pack. All Bugattis in it, and it's got an exclusive Bugatti Chiron in it. And it looks like it has Veyrons, it looks like it has Chirons, and Devos. So let's quickly open it up. And let's pull it out. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to open this. This is so cool. And let's start it off with our Bugatti Veyron here in this nice white and silver color. This thing looks really good. And I love how you can see the engine, the W16. Wow, that's nice. So this is the Bugatti Veyron. And this looks like a lot like the one from the Mystery Machines, but I guess it's not because it is from a 9-pack. That's cool. Let's put it over to the side, and let's move this over to the side too so that you guys can see what car you want to focus on. Next one is another Bugatti Veyron. This one is in yellow. Also looks like Mystery Machines, but I guess it isn't. And this one has more shiny colors on it instead of like the matte kind of a finish. It's very smooth, and it's got the quad turbocharged W16 also. The horseshoe grill from Bugatti. And then it's super wide in the back. This is a Bugatti Veyron, their second car. Now let's head over to this one. This is a Bugatti Devo. This car costs like $5 million in real life. And we might actually be seeing one of these in real life soon this year at the car show that we're going to in Connecticut. So that'd be awesome. This one is in gray, and it has like a manta ray decal on top. And you can see the engine in there too. And you can see the quad exhaust, 4 exhaust. And then the really cool lights. This one's fully detailed. All the lights and everything. That's super cool. Then let's come over to this, and this is my favorite Hot Wheels car ever. Oh my gosh, I finally got it. It is out of this 9-pack, and this is the Bugatti Chiron Zamac edition. This is a Walmart exclusive, but somehow I got this pack at Target, so I don't know how that happened, but yeah, it's got the Zamac finish on it, and that means that they did not paint it. That's what they look like before they are painted, Hot Wheels cars. And it also has the horseshoe grill, like all the Bugattis do, and you can see the engine inside there, and it's a very nice back on it too. That one is awesome looking. Then we have another Chiron, one of my also favorite ones. This is the Bugatti Chiron in the light blue color, and I love the back of this thing. Look at that. Like, all these Chirons are so cool to open up at the same time. And it's got those big wheels, and it reminds me a lot of the Porsche, Hot Wheels Porsches that are around right now. So they have this kind of the same colors, I feel like. So that is really cool. Wow, Bugatti Chiron. I never was expecting to have him have a Bugatti pack. Then we got the dark blue Chiron, much like the light blue, but with just darker blue and silver rims. Wow, that one's really cool too. So yeah, that one is really nice. It's got the engine you also can see, and the silver rims. That's really cool. But look at all these 6 Chirons that we've opened up so far. These are cool. Wow. All 3 of these Chirons together look awesome. And then we have another car, which we have 2 more left after this one. This is also a Bugatti Devo, but in black. It's got you can kind of see a manta ray if you look like right here. And it's got that really cool blue stripe that goes straight down the center of it, right along here. You can see the engine exposed. And it also has the Devo on the license plate kind of area there. And it looks just awesome. I love the Devo. It's such a cool casting. Like, it's amazing. But yeah, these are 2 Devo colors. I'm pretty sure these are the only 2 colors that are out too, so it's cool to get them in the same pack. Wow, that's sick. Look at all these cars. So yeah, those are some of our Bugattis. Then we have one of our last ones. This is the black Bugatti Chiron. Wow, that one's really cool too. It's got the silver rims on it. Kind of reminds me of the blue one because it has the darker kind of a color to it, but it's a little bit shiny still. Wow, that's really cool though. So, dark black Chiron. And now let's come over to our exclusive part for this pack. This is like only comes in 9 packs because if you look at the box, this area, it says 9-pack exclusive on it. So yeah, it's a 9-pack exclusive. This Chiron, and oh my gosh, look at it. It has the lights detailed. Wow, are you kidding me? And it's also a 2-tone. It's 2-tone painted. So it looks like the real Chirons more. Like I have a little model one right here. You can see that it kind of has like the same look. That's a more realistic Chiron. So yeah, that one's cool. It looks like it has the silver rims too, like the other ones. Then you can see the engine's exposed too. And it has a little black like for the W16 sinus for Bugatti's engine. And then, ooh, it also has the back lights detailed. Let's head over and compare it to our normal black Chiron. Just to see it, you can see red lights detailed. You can see the engine. Then when you come out of the front, the lights are detailed. And all of this. Wow, that is so cool. I can't believe that we got all of these Bugattis in one pack. Oh my gosh. And yes, you guys might have been wondering how I got this pack. Well, it's a custom pack. I didn't actually buy it at the store. I put all my Bugattis in it, and I made this custom pack. But I hope that Hot Wheels someday can maybe make a pack like this. And you guys might have also noticed that these are actually Matchbox Bugatti Devos. So yeah, let's see what we got for a whole pack though. A custom Bugatti 9-pack. That is so cool. All of these cars together. Wow. That's a lot of Bugattis. I remember when I got my first Bugatti Chiron for Christmas like 2 years ago or a year ago now. It was so cool. In 2019 at Christmas, I got, this was my first ever Chiron. Wow. I've gained a lot of Hot Wheels Bugattis over the time. And if you guys want to see some more of these custom Hot Wheels 9-pack videos, I can do another one sometime and prank some more of you guys that haven't seen this video yet. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Hit the like button if you liked it. And this is just such a funny idea. Do your own custom Bugattis. I painted this Bugatti myself. Did the details. Used some Sharpie and stuff. And paint markers and paint. So thanks for watching. See you guys later.